Welcome everyone, it's story time. Today's story, in the peaceful kingdom of Arendelle, Queen Elsa lived happily with her sister Anna, Kristoff, Olaf, and Sven. Life was calm, but deep inside Elsa's heart, a soft, mysterious voice kept calling her, a voice only she could hear. It was gentle like the wind and magical like a dream. Every night, the voice sang to Elsa, pulling her towards something unknown. Elsa felt that the voice was trying to tell her something important, something about her past and her powers. But Anna worried that the voice might lead Elsa into danger. Still, Elsa felt she had to follow it. One day, a strange force shook Arendelle. The earth rumbled, and the wind howled through the streets. The ancient elemental spirits, earth, air, fire, and water had awakened. The trolls warned Elsa that the only way to save their kingdom was to find the truth hidden in the enchanted forest, a magical place covered in mist for many years. So Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, Olaf, and Sven set off on a brave journey. The forest was filled with swirling mist, glowing lights, and restless spirits. They met the Norsodra, a kind and nature-loving tribe who had been trapped inside the forest for decades. Together, they discovered that the past of Arendelle was not as peaceful as they believed. Long ago, their grandfather, King Runnard, had built a dam to weaken the Norsodra tribe. A battle had broken out, angering the elemental spirits. The forest closed itself, trapping everyone inside. Elsa realized something shocking. Her powers were not a curse. They were a gift that would help her uncover the truth and bring peace. The voice called again, leading Elsa to the legendary river Ottahollen, said to hold all the memories of the past. The journey was dangerous. Icy waves crashed, winds roared, and the magical water horse, Nock, tried to stop her. Elsa bravely tamed it and reached Ottahollen. Inside the glittering ice world, Elsa discovered the truth. Her mother, Queen Iduna, was Norsodra. The voice calling her was a memory of her mother's lullaby. Elsa was born with magic because she was meant to become the fifth spirit, the bridge between people and the elements. But the truth was painful. The dam must be destroyed to free the forest and restore balance, even if it meant flooding Arendelle. Elsa sent this message to Anna through a magical ice memory before she became frozen in Ottahollen. Anna, filled with courage, realized what she must do. She and the Earth Giants led the giants toward the dam. Crash! Boom! The dam broke apart, and the waters rushed forward. When Arendelle was about to be washed away, Elsa saw it, returned on the Nock, and used her powers to stop the flood. The forest was free, the kingdom was safe, and Elsa finally understood who she was. Elsa chose to stay in the enchanted forest as a fifth spirit, the protector of magic and nature. Anna returned to Arendelle and became its new, kind-hearted queen. The sisters were no longer living the same life, but their bond remained unbreakable. Because love, true, sisterly love, is stronger than any magic. Moral of the story: follow your true self bravely, accept who you are, and remember, love and honesty can heal even the deepest wounds of the past. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.